explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 14th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is the prepositions. So what are these prepositions? Let me tell you. So prepositions are the words जिनको हम यूज करते हैं ऐसे नाउन और प्रोनाउन का दूसरे वर्ड्स के साथ रिलेशनशिप दिखाने के लिए एक सेंटेंस में, राइट? साथ ही साथ ये हमें नाउन और प्रोनाउंस की पोजीशंस के बारे में भी बताते हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द डेफिनेशन which says a preposition is a word put before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with some other words in a sentence. तो एक preposition एक ऐसा word है जो कि एक noun या फिर एक pronoun से पहले use किया जाता है ताकि उसके relations या के बारे में बताया जा सके किसी दूसरे वर्ड के बारे में एक सेंटेंस में, राइट? सो नाउ दे से लुक एट द सेंटेंसेस. तो अब जल्दी से इन सेंटेंसेस को देखते हैं, राइट? द कैट इज ऑन द टेबल. द कैट इज अंडर द टेबल. द कैट इज near or beside the table. Each of these vowels in color shows the relation between the cat and the table. तो हर वर्ड जो यहाँ पर कलर्ड में दिया गया है इन सेंटेंसेस में, वो हमें कैट और टेबल के बीच का जो रिलेशनशिप है उसको समझा रहा है, राइट? Such words are called prepositions. और इन्हीं वर्ड्स को हम prepositions के नाम से जानते हैं, राइट? सो रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. तो अब जल्दी से इन सेंटेंसेस को पढ़ते हैं. He spoke with me. He talked to me. He talked about me. Correct? Next, in the above sentences, the prepositions with, to and about are used with the pronouns. अब इन sentences में जो prepositions हैं जो कि है with, to और about, वो actually use की गई हैं pronouns के साथ, right? जैसे कि अब यहाँ पर हमें next topic दिया हुआ है जो कि है kinds of prepositions. अब prepositions के kinds के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. So पहला kind है the preposition of time. तो अब ये preposition of time क्या है? Let's see. It indicates the time when something happens or had happened, such as in, on, at, by, etc. Right? तो ये इंडिकेट करता है कि ऐसा टाइम जब कोई चीज़ होती है या फिर इट हैड हैपेंड, राइट? या फिर वो हो चुकी होती है, जैसे कि इन, ऑन, एट, बाय, एटसेट्रा. एग्जाम्पल, द फंक्शन बिगिन एट 5 PM. वी आर हैविंग अ पार्टी ऑन 1st July. Rima climbed the hill in the morning. Correct? Next, we have preposition of place. तो अब बात करते हैं preposition of place के बारे में. So it indicates where someone or something is and is used before a noun and a pronoun. तो ये इंडिकेट करते हैं कि कोई भी लाइक किसी भी चीज़ की या किसी के प्लेस को, राइट? जैसे कि अंडर, बिसाइड, नेक्स्ट टू, बिहाइंड, ओवर, above, between, etc. Right? So examples हैं, Sia is standing behind the door and Rama sat beside her sister. यानी कि किसी भी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के प्लेस को बताने वाले वर्ड्स प्रपोजिशन कहलाते हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द प्रपोजिशन ऑफ मूवमेंट. तो अब बात अगर की जाए प्रपोजिशन ऑफ मूवमेंट के बारे में, सो व्हाट आर दे? इट इंडिकेट्स where something or somebody is going, such as to, off, from, into, towards, along, through, etc. तो ये हमें बताता है कि कोई चीज़ किस डायरेक्शन में या फिर कहाँ जा रही है, राइट. एग्जाम्पल, we went towards the museum. Shabana walked off the stage. Reema jumped into the river. They are walking along the pavement, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with this and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. So let us begin with the chapter number 14's practice worksheet, right? So let us begin with the very first exercise that has been provided here. That is multiple choice questions, MCQs, right? So the very first statement is a preposition is a word put before. And the options are noun, pronoun or both, right? So preposition एक ऐसा word है जो कि दोनों के ही पीछे हम लगा सकते हैं, noun और pronoun, right? So we are going to write noun and pronoun over here. Next, he talked to me. In this sentence, dash is a preposition and the options are he, to or me. So to is the correct option. To is the preposition in this sentence. Next, the purse is dash the table. The purse is dash the table and the options are over, on or above. So the purse is on the table. So it is on. Correct? Next, pick out the prepositions in the following sentences. तो अब जल्दी से इन सभी sentences में prepositions को निकालते हैं, right? It says Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So the preposition in this is on. The cat sat under a chair. Under is the preposition. Amita lives near the sweet shop. Near is the preposition. My house is beside hers. Beside is the preposition. We shall stay with friends in America. In is the preposition and with is the preposition. Mother will write to Rahul soon. To is the preposition. The shop closes at midnight. At is the preposition. The plane flew above the clouds. Above is the preposition, right? Then after that, we have fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions given in the box. तो हमें बॉक्स में दिए गए वर्ड्स को यूज करना है और इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है. So it is, this man is blind, dash one eye. This man is blind of one eye. He is unfit, dash practical work. He is unfit for practical work. This dog barks dash strangers. This dog barks at strangers. She is true dash her word. She is true at her word. Then have faith in God. Is she related to you? The hunter aimed at the bird. Your efforts will be crowned. Your efforts will be crowned with success. Right? Now, moving ahead, next exercise that says fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions from those given in the box. तो अब हमें blanks भरने हैं suitable prepositions के साथ जो कि box में दी गई हैं, right? You may use a preposition more than once कि हम एक preposition को एक से ज़्यादा बार भी use कर सकते हैं. So just first sentence says it is the need dash the hour. It is the need after the hour. She looks dash her mother. She looks after her mother. This road leads to my house. I shall pray to God for you. The aeroplane flew over the city. She came and sat beside me. I shall meet you at the railway station. The boys jumped dash the river. The boys jumped into the river. Right? Then moving ahead, notice Ruby congratulated me dash my success. Sorry. Okay. So moving ahead to the next exercise that says choose the correct preposition. तो अब हमें correct preposition यहाँ options में से choose करनी है for the sentence, right? So it says Ruby congratulated me dash my success. Ruby congratulated me on my success. We have been here dash a long time. We have been here for a long time. The new teacher is not popular dash the students. Not popular with the students. I prefer walking dash to cycling. I prefer walking to cycling. The police must inquire dash the murder. The police must inquire into the murder. You should live dash your means. You should live within your means. Correct? Now next exercise that we have is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. दोबारा से हमें यहाँ पर suitable prepositions के through blanks को fill करना है. So let's see how it is done. One day, a young man went near a river bank with his fishing rod. He sat down dash the river bank. He sat down by the river bank. He wanted dash catch the fish. He wanted to catch the fish. Dash sometime he caught a little fish. After some time he caught a little fish, right? The little fish was dash trouble. The little fish was in trouble. It said, "Pray, spare my life. Throw me back into the river again." Dash a few months, then after a few months, I'll grow big. I shall make a good dinner for you and your family. The boy was wise and understood that it was a false promise to befool him. He replied, "But I do not wish any part of you. I may not get you long after." He knew that the future is uncertain, so he should not lose the fish. He knew that a bird in hand is better than two or the bush. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got the things. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.